This is called the Thomson Falls in Nyahururu.
Before I get to show you what the falls looks like, and what we'll be doing, we'll be walking all the way to down there. It is quite a journey, so I'll show you and I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned.
Bringing this video from Thomson's Falls in Nyahururu. These are the charges. For Kenyan citizen, adult is 70 shillings and for children is 30. It's quite affordable. And then non-citizens, adult is 300 and children is 200. So yeah, welcome. Mmeambiwa hapo chini, welcome. Let's get in and see what is there. Hear me, but it's fresh air and all that. Don't know if I'll be able to get up there. I don't have a photographer. They don't want to come. They're afraid of heights, but I really have to get there. It is amazing, don't you think? We were many that have decided to stay down there. They're afraid of heights, but me being me, we decided to come. We are finally up here. You can see this is the fall. This is what it looks like. It feels so nice. Natamani kwenda pale, but my life is important too. But this was fun, and it is fun. I'm having a good time, guys. I'm having a good time. At the moment, the water is too much. My hair, I know, will be stinking by the time I go home. Yeah. Just look at the fall. So by the time I'm leaving this place, I don't know if my phone will be working anymore. Just look at those ones. Why did they go all the way there? See. My phone will be working anymore. Just look at those ones. Why did they go all the way there? See. That side. Yeah, we are so ready to come and experience this. Yes. Twende! Woo! Woo! Kulanda ndio shida. Twende! Yee! Finally! Finally! Hey! Sikia kukofa. Hii! This is the history. You can pause and read. Yeah, and the entire place, that is how it looks like. We have a lodge in case you want to come and spend a night or two here. On the other side is the Panari Hotel. You can spend a night there if you want. And that is the gate. So to go against all odds, come and show you the source. This is the source. I know you won't believe it. This is the source of the falls, and then the hippos here. But today, because it's cold, I don't know if you can see it, it's drizzling. That's why. Yeah, this is the source.
It is a wild journey to this joy.
It is a?
It is a wild journey to this zero vegetation.
Jara.
Where the question is, you want to garlic? You want meat?
I want kachumbari.
You want kachumbari? Ah, kachumbari kama tikagari ya kwa shamba. Ginyaka nyingi. Ndio wa. Nyama hizi sio ndio kwa. Hicho ni kinye. Ni ngumu. Yeah, kaje ndio.
Nyuma kidogo.
Kwani unaogopa nini? Umeshinda nao. Mwaga hiyo ni rere. Kabujara negatera shukuru rozi. Ndio mwaga hiyo ni rere. Mapia ya mama. Ni ya bra David. Wa hawo.
Ah, wewe tu ndio uonekane.
Wa hawo hiyo ni no mananya. Ni moi ngati nyoka. Kutoka daga. Hawo hiyo kiada.
So guys, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've watched to the end. This is a place you can come with your family. You can see the entrance charges are affordable. It's just next to the highway. You don't need to go in so much. And yeah, that's how the place looks like. And guys, remember to bring an extra cloth, because when you go up there you get super wet. I was super wet. I was feeling cold. But now I've changed, except for the shoes. I did not change because I don't like washing shoes. So I didn't want to change. I just go with this. I'll change once we are done and coming back to Nairobi. This is in Nyahururu, Laikipia County, Nyahururu. So you can purpose to visit. They have a lodge. You can sleep there. There's Panari for those guys who have some good cash. There's Panari Hotel. So till next time, see you guys. Peace.